Are you dreaming of a place where stunning natural beauty, a relaxed lifestyle, and endless outdoor adventures are just part of your everyday life? I'm Natasha Koch with the Van City Home Team, your local real estate expert, helping people transition to island living.
First up, the natural beauty of Vancouver Island is truly unmatched. From the breathtaking beaches along the Pacific Rim to the majestic mountains and serene forests, there's no shortage of scenery to explore. Whether you're hiking through Cathedral Grove or watching whales off the coast, every corner of the island feels like a postcard. One of the things that most people love about Vancouver Island is its relaxed lifestyle. Here you can leave behind the hustle and bustle of the city life and embrace a slower, more peaceful pace. Islanders take time to enjoy the little things, whether it's a stroll through a local farmer's market or just unwinding with a view of the sunset. For adventure seekers, Vancouver Island is a paradise. The island offers world-class opportunities for hiking, biking, kayaking, surfing, fishing, and even skiing in the winter months. And let's not forget, Tofino is one of the top surf destinations in Canada. While the island feels remote in a lot of ways, it doesn't mean that you have to sacrifice convenience. Communities like Victoria, Nanaimo, and Comox offer everything from vibrant art scenes to top-notch schools and healthcare. Plus, the welcoming community vibe makes it easy to feel at home. So if you're thinking about moving here, the real estate market offers a range of options, from charming oceanfront homes to peaceful rural properties. You're bound to find something that fits your lifestyle, and let's be honest, the value for money here compared to the mainland is hard to beat. Whether you're looking for a fresh start, a better quality of life, or your dream home, Vancouver Island has something special to offer everyone. If you're considering making the move, I'd love to help you navigate this process. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos about moving to Vancouver Island and finding the absolute perfect home. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.